This is Parmigiano alla Melanzani. Or is it Melanzani alla Parmigiano?
Yes.
Okay, let's start again. So I'm here in beautiful Trastevere in Rome, and I'm in search of Roman street food. There's a roadside restaurant called Trapizzino, which is where I'm headed to taste some really nice Roman street food. So let's go and check it out. So here I am at Trapizzino, which is a very famous Roman street food restaurant here in Trastevere. So it's a nice setting. Again, sitting outside, you can actually sit inside as well. So the restaurant is just opposite to where I'm sitting right now. Anyway, we are here to talk about the food. So I've ordered two from their menu. One is Trapizzino, which is like a triangular shaped sandwich, which is made of pizza base with a filling inside. And the second one is Suppli. Both of them are really famous, really popular Roman street food. So let's talk about a bit more about them when they arrive. Can't wait. So here's my Trapizzino. This is how it arrives. So it's triangular shaped, and it comes in this whatever the rack in here, and it is called so the filling inside is called Parmigiano di Melanzani. I think I got it right. So, anyway, what it means is it's eggplant, fried eggplant with tomato sauce and mozzarella and Parmigiano cheese. So as you can see, if I take this out, as you can see, it's essentially a pizza base that is filled with that filling. So let's see, it looks like it's quite filling, and it's quite big as well. So I don't know a very graceful way to eat this. So I'm gonna go ahead and have a bite. Oh, sorry, that was a mouthful. The pizza base is actually very crunchy. I didn't expect it to be that crunchy. I thought it will taste a bit more, the texture will be a bit more doughy, but no, it's quite crunchy. And the tomato sauce and the Parmigiano, obviously the cheese is a bit salty, so that saltiness and the sourness mixed with the sourness of the tomato sauce mixed together, it gives a really nice flavor to it. Right, I'm gonna have another bite. As I said, there's no graceful way to eat this, and I'm making a mess here. But as a street food, this is going to be really filling, and obviously you can taste the fried aubergine or the eggplant, and it actually is absorbed into the pizza dough as well. So when you eat the pizza or the sandwich wrapper around it, it tastes of that as well. So and it creates a really nice texture to the bite. So that's the Trapizzino done, and I'm on to the next one, which is Suppli. This is a very famous Roman street food. If you're familiar with arancini, which is the Sicilian version of this is similar to that. So the best way to describe this is like a rice and meatball deep fried with a crunchy crust or an outer layer. The main difference between this and arancini is arancini tends to be a bit bigger than this, and it's usually filled with ragu, whereas this has rice and a tomato sauce filling, and now you can and mozzarella as well. Now you can get meat filling as well, and also in different places you can get this with various different fillings. And in some places, especially in restaurants, you can get this now as an appetizer as well, not just a street food. So let's dig in. Right, here it is. So when you break it, as you can see, there's the mozzarella, and as you can see, there's rice and the tomato sauce. Let me have a bite. Obviously it's deep fried and the outer layer is really crunchy. So when you bite into it and when you're eating, you can really feel the crunchiness. And again, it has a tomato filling, so it has the same sort of light sourness like I had in the previous one, and it's also wrapped with or mixed with mozzarella as well. So it's a really filling street food. If I were to select between the two, I mean they're both really filling, but I would probably pick this one over the previous one, probably because this is deep fried. Anything deep fried is really good. Someone once told me, every good thing in life is either illegal, too expensive, or fattening. This is definitely in that third category, but probably should be in the first category as well, because it is good. It's that good when you're especially out and about, and when you need a filling, this is the one to go for. So that was really filling. It's proper street food. I feel like I can have a nap now, which is actually what I'm going to do. So I'll see you in the next video. So here I am at Trapizzino. It's with a filling inside, and the second one is Suppli.